Hello everyone. Duduzile Zuma, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, has once again shown that she strongly believes in the economic freedom fighters. She really loves the Economic Freedom Fighters Party. She is definitely campaigning for the EFF come next year. She took it to her timeline to show EFF some love and wrote, "Jealous down EFF." It's such a breath of fresh air to see so much love for each other within an organization. Omakhelwane lapho kwa-ANC, it's a war zone. People have reacted on her statement. Others simply told her to come out in the closet and be a proud member of the EFF, but others really didn't like what she had shared. One tweet said, "The Mandela daughters were activists from the get-go. They had a lot of character and were likable and popular. There's this controversial one who only became a pseudo activist after the Duduzile house pushed their parent to the exit door." Another one said, "Chairperson at EFF KZN, please assist Usesi with membership forms. This is a real fighter." One also said, "It's because they don't have power in government. The fight most of the time is about resources. Wait until they govern, if it will ever happen. But for now, they are still 10% party. Most families have peace when they have nothing. Just wait until one gets rev. Life start." Another tweet said, "When you just have a crush on Julius Malema." So guys, do you think the beautiful Mantwa should be worried here? Duduzile's twin brother Duduzane Zuma has announced his presidential campaign and is running for presidency come next year's election. And his sister is not saying a word about his presidential campaign. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.